Well, I wanted to try something new and different to produce a musical cartoon so children can get to learn and experience music through stories. And you know that children love stories and cartoons. To captivate and engage children to learn through stories and animation, young learners tend to remember facts and learn concepts better through cartoon characters.
Faster than a sloth.
Yes, I'm walking like a deer at Andante Temple.
May the notes singing snail taught us. Come on, let's try. Head, head, head. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder.
The animation project was done amidst the COVID restrictions after circuit breaker from August to December 2020. The entire project was entirely put together remotely. All recordings, including singing, were recorded individually by the characters using their own handphones.
When we were recording, we had to make everyone that was in the house keep quiet and also switch off all the appliances that made sound so that we could record clearly and well.
Trying to sing the song, but personally the key it was in was not really in a comfortable vocal range, so I really had a lot of problems trying to sing it.
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hope.
We were churning out the scripts for 1 to 2 episodes each week, and the kids were recording episodes every single week. There were a total of 16 episodes produced.
Initially, I was quite surprised, but I was also strangely excited because it was my first time voice acting.
Shall we all play and sing together one last time?
Yes!
I think I was quite excited to record my first line because like Hara, I did not have any prior experience, so it was really new for me, and I also had to kind of figure out what expectations were. So when I was recording, it was quite fun actually.
Hi, I'm Mel the mechanic. How can I help you?
I'm quite proud considering I was only 12 years old when I recorded it, but I think I still sound okay like 2 years later, so I think that's quite good.
Hello friends, how are you? I am the singing snail.
For my first line, I was kind of irritated because I didn't really know how to do it or how to conduct myself during it.
Tammy, pass the ball to me. No, pass it to me.
It was quite fun to write the scripts for each episode. I remember laughing while writing some of the dialogues as I pretended to be the characters in the story.
Careful, Lucky. I see cars ahead.
Yes, I'm slowing down. I'm worried that we will be caught in the traffic and be late for Felix's concert. I am feeling a little blue now, like the music.
I was really nervous and kind of shy because I've never done voice acting before, and I was playing a parrot, right? So it was, I had to do the line squawk squawk.
Look, there's a group of parrots at the bridge.
I wonder what they're up to.
It was quite fun actually at the end. At my last line, I think it was much easier because I kind of knew what to do already, and so it was much smoother for me.
Yes.
Why?
Because it is very fun. Yes.
Why?
Because it's fun and I like to do it again.
I'm very proud of myself because I managed to step out my comfort zone. I'm quite proud of it because now I'm looking at the video, it came out actually very well.
I enjoyed putting it together. I hope you enjoyed too. But I'm not going to tell you what happens in these 2 stories. Shh, it's a secret. snake?
Is that a sound of a snake?
Is that the sound of a snake?
I'm getting frustrated.
But you're not saying correctly.